Hello, it's Will from IBCstuff.com. I'm happy to be back to talk to you. I got an email recently from a subscriber who was looking to replace a broken valve on his IBC Tote. He feared that it was glued on because he couldn't see any hex nut on it. And in fact, that's the case. While you can replace that valve, it's a different and awkward approach, and that's what we're talking about today. These slides show the replacement process. First, pull the bottle out of the cage and stand it valve side up. Next, cut the valve at the base as shown. Make it as straight as possible. Sand the edges of your cut. It's very important to make it as clean as possible. Next, measure the opening's ID, and based on that information, you purchase a bulkhead fitting with a diameter close to the ID. Next, drop a string from the valve base hole and catch it through the 6-inch fill cap opening. Tie the bulkhead fitting to the string and pull it toward the drain opening. When the bulkhead fitting hooks through the opening, you tighten it with the nut provided. Once the fitting is tightened, you will have a female threaded outlet to install your new valve. And that is how I would replace a damaged IBC drain valve that is bonded and can't simply be unthreaded from the bottle. If you're not familiar with bulkhead fittings, I'm showing a drawing of one here that might work for your application. If you have any similar issues with an IBC, you can email will@ibcstuff.com. I also have a free guide below that explains thread identification. I hope it will help. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.